Good morning, students of Room 5. This is your mustachioed and long-haired teacher, Mr. Agee. I am giving the Week 4 update this morning. And the main thing that you need to know for this week is that we are starting in a new learning packet this week. It is strangely got a cover that doesn't seem to show that there's any math or reading or language in there, but actually if you flip a few pages in, it looks like this: Independent Study Packet. And this learning packet doesn't have any page numbers in it, so the lessons will be listed by day. And there's another new feature this week where Ms. Nocton and I are collecting a little bit more data on student engagement. So we're asking students to submit at least one piece of student work, which looks like a picture of your work that's submitted to my Google Voice number. The number is 317-572-5565. Essentially, you just take a snap of the work that you want to show me and send it to me just like you would send a picture in a text, and I'll take a look at the work that you've done. You'll see that each day has several pages of work to do, but it's mostly fill in the blank and short answer, and it's all review. So the lessons will be minimized down to one, and I'll basically be guiding students through the directions of what they're supposed to do each day. We continued with the pen pal letters. This week I received 5 letters. Yesterday I sent 4 letters in the mail, return letters, and I was super happy to see those letters coming. Makes me feel so good, and it's nice to connect with the kids that way. I hope everybody's happy and healthy. Continue checking in to Clever and looking at the daily assignments, because that's where you're going to find what exactly is assigned for each day. However, I can tell you today is day 1, tomorrow is day 2, Thursday is day 3, and then we pick up with day 4 and day 5 next week. Next week, we actually do start with a new calendar in terms of student official school days. This week is the last week where the official school days are Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Next week it goes to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And we've been instructed to handle that a very specific way in terms of what the students have to do. Essentially, it's going to be basically the same exact thing that you've been doing, except that Friday is going to be dedicated to the social emotional learning piece, which you can find in the Healthy You section of the Clever page. But that starts next week, not this week, officially. I hope this finds you well, and I'm looking forward to seeing everybody at the Zoom meeting, which is required on Thursday morning at 9:30. Office hours stay the same, 11 to 12, 1 to 2. Reach out to me if you have any trouble with any of the assignments. I love to hear from you, and that's all. Let's have a good week.